Hey guys, Miss Cave Troll here. So we bought this like a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and I wanted to do a little review on it because it is awesome. It is like the creme de la creme of cat trees. As you all know, I have a cat that I love dearly, even though he's a little monster. But this we are thoroughly impressed with, and I recommend it to anyone that has cats. It is incredibly sturdy. It's 72 inches. It took me about 30 minutes to put together. The instructions, which I'll open this up, are actually super clear, super easy to put together. Like I said, it took me about 30 minutes to do by myself. And the best part of it, I guess what I'm so impressed on it was $73.52 with tax and free shipping. Sorry, that was really hard to get out. So total was $74 essentially, which is, I think, phenomenal for something that big. I mean, it is huge. And even better, we placed the order on the 28th and it was delivered on the 30th. So super fast. And I don't know if I said this or not, but I got it from Chewy.com. So we ordered it online. But yeah, so this is a fantastic product, and it's only like 2 weeks old, so we'll see how long it lasts. My cat is super destructive. He demolished the old one that he had, so he likes to swing from them, and he's actually already pulled this off. But anyways, so there's my review of that. Anybody who's interested in getting one, I recommend this one. Any of these products, this Fresco brand. Anyways, y'all have a great day. Bye.